Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. So for today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how I shave my face. So I'm a hairy person, I'm not ashamed to say it, but I don't like it. So I do whatever I can to get rid of those hairs. And this is one of my favorite things to do. I do it twice a month. And I just kind of dedicate a day when I'm not wearing makeup or anything like that to just sit down and get rid of all of these hairs. So if you want to see how I do it, please keep watching. So the products that I use are these eyebrow razors. They're honestly so bomb because you can get it from anywhere. You can get it from a beauty supply store for like $1. And then Forever 21 sells 2 for $3.90, which is where I got this one from. What you do is you always have to pull your skin in an upward motion like this. Chunky cheeks. And you shave downwards. That is always how you do it. The next thing that I like to do is use my Rose Floral Toner, and I just spray that all over my face. It just helps to cool your face down. If you feel any irritation, I just pat it in lightly. That is it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, bye.